Kamala Harris isn't just another name in American politics. From making history as the first woman and the first person of color to serve as vice president, she is now setting her sights on the presidency. In this video, we are diving into her incredible journey, achievements, and what she brings to the table as a presidential candidate. Born on October 20, 1964, in Oakland, California, Kamala Harris grew up in a family with a rich heritage. Her mother, Shyamala, was an immigrant from India and a pioneering breast cancer researcher, while her father, Donald, came from Jamaica and worked as an economist. Growing up in the vibrant Bay Area during the civil rights movement, Kamala was deeply influenced by the social justice movements around her. Her parents' activism and community's fight for equality shaped Kamala's perspective and ambition. Her mother's message was clear: she could achieve anything she set her mind to. Kamala's academic journey took her to Howard University in Washington, D.C., where she immersed herself in political science and economics. She was active in student government and the debate team, experiences that shaped her future. She later earned her law degree from UC Hastings College of the Law in San Francisco. While starting her career as a prosecutor, Kamala worked in the Alameda County District Attorney's Office. Known for her commitment to justice, she tackled serious issues like gang violence, drug trafficking, and sexual assault. In 2003, Kamala made history as the first woman and the first African American elected district attorney of San Francisco. Her tenure was marked by innovative programs aimed at reducing recidivism and supporting victims, particularly in undeserved communities. Her success as DA led her to statewide office in 2010 as California's Attorney General, where she became the first woman, the first African American, and the first South Asian to hold the position. She focused on criminal justice reforms, consumer protection, and environmental issues. Kamala's next big leap was into the US Senate in 2016, where she earned a reputation for her incisive questioning and dedication to progressive issues. Her work ranged from healthcare reform and immigration rights to criminal justice. Her journey reached a new milestone in 2021 when she became vice president, the first woman and the first person of color in the role. And now, Kamala Harris is running for president. Her campaign is focused on major issues like healthcare, climate change, racial justice, and economic fairness. With her extensive background in law and leadership, she is bringing a bold vision to the race. Kamala's deep commitment to public service and her history of breaking barriers make her a standout candidate. Will America give her the chance to lead? To know about Kamala's next journey, stay with us. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We will keep update you on the 2024 presidential race and more.